Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use import feed function in your Google Sheets. Quite little websites allow us to import feed from them. So let's see, we have one example here which is Al Jazeera. So the website has imported version available, which is RSS feed. So I'm going to click on it and I'm going to take this and imply into my formula. Let's first try to understand what it does is import feed, and if I enter the formula, let's first assume like www.aljazeera.com, and then I'm going to get the list of items which are headers items, and then I'm going to make as the true is for headers, as you can see, and then how many numbers I want. Like, let's say 10 numbers I want. If you hit enter, it gives nothing because it is not a feed URL. So you need a feed URL to get all these details. So I'm going to copy the feed URL here and I'm going to paste in here. So remove this prior link and replace it with the XML link. Now you can see, I hope it should be getting 10 results. So you can see the real-time news can be seen here in your Google Sheets with the links. So if you click on it, I guess it should be redirecting to the source. So very few websites offer this to use say RSS feed. So make sure you have the exact link to import feed onto your Google Sheets. So once you have the correct link, just add items after that, and then for headers you'll be mentioning as true, and then list like 5. Let's see, if I mention 15 also, I guess it should be giving 15. Yes, so it's based on how popular the website is. Like if it is very popular, so it may have a lot of headings, a lot of news, but if it is a pretty new website, then you may not have that many headings. So based on your requirement, you can pull out the details from this website. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in next video.